And this is Murumuru. Murumuru is definitely up there with one of my top butters. Our Murumuru is raw and unrefined, so it maintains its fragrance just as it was from the Amazon. It has a kind of a palm type fragrance. It's a very natural, earthy type fragrance. It's not a bad smell, but it is earthy, so it's not like a chocolatey smell like a cupuaçu or cocoa butter would be. It has a unique composition of fatty acids and vitamin A that makes it great for skin elasticity. So if you're looking for products that are for like dry, chapped skin, this would be a great option. It's also good for skin conditions such as psoriasis and eczema. It promotes moisture retention for your hair. So it's absolutely wonderful for helping people that are trying to condition their dry, brittle hair. It's another good option for nut-free butter that will keep your hair and your skin super soft and well moisturized.